Hello everyone, this is my review of the Clarifier Portable Air Purifier, and I've been seriously impressed with the results. The first thing I noticed is how compact and sleek it is. It plugs right into the wall and doesn't take up much floor space, which is perfect for smaller rooms like bedrooms and bathrooms. Within a day or two, I could already tell the air was fresher. I have pets, and the little purifier make a huge difference with dander and odor. The combination of HEPA filter and negative ion technology works really great. I've also noticed less dust collecting on surfaces. One of my favorite features is how quiet it is. I leave it running in my room overnight and I barely notice it. No annoying humming or buzzing sound at all. It's also great that it comes with a carbon layer to help with any smells, especially in the kitchen or near litter boxes. If you're looking for a low maintenance, powerful, space saving air purifier, I highly recommend it, and I hope this review helps.